Windows has been the most popular operating system for decades, and because of that, hackers have always had their eyes on it. The more people use something, the more valuable it becomes as a target. Think about it. If you want maximum impact, you attack the system everyone is running. Windows dominates desktops, laptops, and corporate networks. Even though macOS and Linux are growing, Windows still owns the biggest share. That makes it the largest playground for cybercriminals. Hackers know if they build malware for Windows, it will reach millions. Another reason is legacy support. Windows still runs old versions and old applications. Many companies use outdated software that depends on Windows. Hackers love this because old systems often have unpatched vulnerabilities. Let's talk about patches. Microsoft does release security updates regularly, but not every user installs them quickly. Some ignore updates, some delay them, and some disable them. This creates a massive window of opportunity for hackers. Windows is also feature-rich. It has thousands of services, ports, and functions. The more features, the more chances of misconfigurations. Hackers search for weak spots where settings are not hardened. Corporate environments are especially juicy targets. Most offices around the world use Windows machines. From HR to finance to admin, Windows is everywhere. One infected machine can spread across the entire company network. Ransomware thrives on Windows. Almost every major ransomware campaign is designed for it. Why? Because businesses store critical files on Windows servers and PCs. If hackers lock them, companies often pay to get data back. Windows also supports a wide range of third-party apps, but many of those apps are insecure or outdated. Hackers don't always attack Windows directly. Instead, they exploit weak apps running on it. Let's not forget social engineering. Most phishing emails drop malicious files designed for Windows. Why? Because users are more likely to open a docs, XLS, or XE on Windows. Hackers use this psychology to their advantage. Windows Active Directory is another big target. It controls authentication and permissions across networks. If hackers break into Active Directory, they can own the entire system. This makes AD a crown jewel for attackers. Windows malware ecosystem is huge. From viruses to Trojans to worms, most malware families are built for it. Hackers can buy and sell Windows exploits easily on dark markets. This economy keeps the cycle alive. Now what about Linux or macOS? Hackers do attack them, but the scale is smaller. Linux dominates servers, but desktops are fewer. macOS has strict controls, but fewer users compared to Windows. That's why hackers still prioritize Windows first. Of course, Microsoft has improved security. Windows 11 is more secure than older versions. It includes secure boot, TPM, and virtualization-based protection. But hackers keep adapting to bypass new defenses. At the end of the day, Windows remains hacker target number one. It's everywhere, it has history, and it stores valuable data. As long as the majority of the world runs Windows, hackers won't look away. This is why cybersecurity awareness is critical for Windows users. Keep your systems updated. Use antivirus and endpoint detection tools. Harden your configurations and remove unused services. And most importantly, stay aware of phishing and social engineering tricks, because hackers will always go where the people are. And in 2025, most of the people are still on Windows. Want to build your career in cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and penetration testing? Just comment bootcamp below, and I'll share the link to my complete 12-hour bootcamp. This course takes you from basics to advanced and clears all your concepts step by step. Check the first pinned comment for the link, and don't forget to subscribe for more cybersecurity content.